Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. My Bitcoin trade is pumping. I've been warning about this breakout for the last few days. Even my last video was called One Day Left, and then Bitcoin broke out, which is beautiful. That trade is around $15,000 in profits. My wheat on Bybit, my wheat and it's only around 5 days old. The WeX trade is also 5 days old, $1,300 in profits, which is amazing. My biggest position right now is Google, Nvidia, and then I've got Bitcoin trades open, short-term trades. The rest is I'm mainly in cash, protecting my capital. We made gains from the April tariff low, from Trump tariff low. We bought massively and then pretty much closed out everything 1 month ago, or a bit more than 1 month ago. And now I'm just holding Google, Nvidia, big position of Google, and the rest is nearly all in capital, waiting to buy back on a pullback. And then I've got Bitcoin trades open and some altcoins. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Congratulations to anyone who saw my trades from 5 days ago. I've been warning that Bitcoin's going to break out, and that trade is now, I'm going to show you in this video. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My Bybit trade, you can see from 5 days ago where I started buying Bitcoin. You can see here where I sold Bitcoin, bought Bitcoin at 109, sold it at 110, bought it at 107, sold it at 110, bought it at 106 on the 22nd, and now we're on the 27th, almost Halloween, and it's up. That trade is now up $14,400 in profits in 5 days, which is beautiful. Congratulations. And if you've been following my videos, also on my WeX account, my trade is $1,300 in profits, the 10K to a million challenge. So that's what, 14,500 plus 1,000, 15,000, almost $16,000 in 5 days. This Bitcoin trade also just pumped, before it pumped to 115,500, which is beautiful. Big congratulations, all of you. 5 days old and 14,000 plus 1,000, which is perfect. Let's go into the technicals. You can see Ethereum is up 5%, TON is up 3%, Nvidia, Google were up on Friday 2%, total market cap up 2%, Bitcoin up 2%, Uni up 7%, which is beautiful. I have a small position of Uni, around 10K, but almost nearly all cash, and I'm just trading Bitcoin here. On the weekly chart, you can still see we have this rising triangle, rising wedge, so we still have to be careful on Bitcoin. We're still actively trading it. Stochastic is heading up from oversold, which is good to see. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy. You get from 20K, from 2023, blue buy at 20K, still a blue buy now. You get these charts and these bots at jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy. Everyone that fired a buy on the weekly, if the last time it fired a sell was on 14th of July at 124K, and it just fired a buy right now, which is interesting. The weekly, the stochastic is heading up. On the daily, the stochastic is pushing up very quickly, which is not the best to see, and we're getting the breakout. You can see where the Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell and then a buy. You get it at jamescryptoguru.com, and you can see this symmetrical triangle is breaking up, builds pressure, and breaks out. And it broke out exactly where I said. And my last video was called 1 Day Left. And you can see it breaking out, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone. Bitcoin breaking out. And my target is the base of the triangle. So when I measure the triangle like this, that's my target. And these charts were already here. If you remember, I've been waiting for this breakout for a while. Stochastic is overbought already on the 4 hourly. We pushed down. Target of this, though, is 120... new all-time high. 126 would be the target, which is interesting. On the hourly, you can see clean break, exactly where I had my lines, by the way. And this was the name of my video. You can see yesterday's video was called Bitcoin, It's Time. The video before that was called Bitcoin 1 Day Left. Multiple trades on Bitcoin activated. Bitcoin trades both in profit. So you can see I've been 1 day left, 1 day ago. Bitcoin, It's Time, 22 hours ago. And then Bitcoin broke out, which is beautiful. 5 days old trade. And the trade's already in profit on Bybit, 14,300. It went to 15 or 17,000 in profit just a minute ago and pulled back a little bit. And this one, 1,300 in profit. nice $17,000 of profit in 1 week, which is beautiful. Oh, in 5 days. And join us in the Telegram. There's 241 of you online in the chat right now discussing. James will never DM you. Thank you, Jesper, for looking after the community. And he won't ask you to DM him or send him money. Those are always scammers. There's a lot of fake accounts of me. People discussing, made $17,000. See, the trade went to 15,500, 17K profit. This guy made 101% on Bitcoin. Congratulations. People discussing, sharing trades. You can join them in the Telegram. There's 245 of you online. And when everyone goes quiet, it's actually time to go make money. All the links are down below. Bybit 60K bonus, biggest exchange for trading, best liquidity, lowest fees. WeX $200 bonus sign up just for signing up, and KYC free private exchange. So anywhere in the world you can trade privately without anyone knowing your liquidation prices, anything like this. And free Telegram, 9,000 traders in the Telegram. Join them in there. The links are down below. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses, crypto master course, and to get the bots. And again, our trades are pumping. I'll take profits around 126, but I'll monitor it closely. Let's watch the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is now overbought. Pumped out. 4 hourly now overbought. Hourly, we're not at a major resistance, I would say. The big resistance would be at 117K. Stochastic on the daily is heading up. It's still got more. And on the weekly, it's heading up from oversold. So we could run for a while here on Bitcoin. So I'm going to leave this trade active, which is beautiful. And again, congratulations. Nice 14,700 in 5 days. And I posted, and this one 1,300. And I posted these trades live. You can see over on my X, 110,000 followers. I'm shadow banned for some reason. Bitcoin, it's time 22 hours ago. 18,000 of you saw that video. This is when I posted the trade 4 days ago. Doji candle on 4 hourly Bitcoin taking along. For everyone asking, the bots are on the website. 53,000 people saw this post 4 days ago when I bought Bitcoin. And 4 days later, this trade is 1,300 in profits. And this trade is almost $15,000 in profits, which is amazing. Join everyone in the Telegram. All the links are down below. Let's answer some of your questions. Do you have videos explaining indicator bots? Yes, you can get it from the jamescryptoguru.com. The bots are there. Making videos for free. LOL. Courses are free. The videos on YouTube are free. These videos on YouTube and these trades are free. Now my Bitcoin trades plus 17,000 profit in 4 days. Dogecoin, I'll do in the next video. Shorting heavy at 111K. Not a good idea to short Bitcoin. I never short Bitcoin. By closing my Bitcoin trades, I'm technically shorting Bitcoin into cash. So I'm long US dollar, short Bitcoin. So if I short Bitcoin, it's like I'm shorting Bitcoin 2x leverage. It's not a good idea to short Bitcoin in the bull market. Big thanks, Guru. You're welcome. Thanks a lot for making every day special with your informative videos. Thank you. Buy Bitcoin before November. Already bought. Dream of a 1K. Make it. ETH man. Thank you, Guru. You're welcome. That's my updates in the market. Nice 1,300 on my 10K to a million challenge. 1,300. And on this account, almost 15,000 in profits. Let's see if it switches. And just in a few days, if you're watching this trade, it's just a few days old. We opened it on the 22nd and now it's the 27th. So 5 days old, almost 15 grand in profits. All the links again under the video. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. I'm up $122,000 on my investment, almost double my money. Thanks for the info you bring. Financial freedom is a beautiful thing. My portfolio hit over 1 million today. You can just see many comments and people making gains, which is beautiful. And again, congratulations everyone on those gains. Join us in the Telegram to celebrate. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And I'm doing all of this from my iPhone, making these trades that you're seeing. We're up 100% on Nvidia since we bought the April tariff low. We're up 80% on Google, and then I'm still holding those. We made massive, almost 100% on Tesla, and then I closed those positions. Now Tesla had a bit of a drop, so I'm going to look at getting back in. I'll do Bitcoin and Tesla in the next video. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations. And again, if you make money from me, hire social media marketers, push messages, peace, anti-war, and protect the nature. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.